Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My name is Elijah Mech, and today we want to look at Aufbau principle and learning outcome. We define Aufbau principle. We formulate the principle. And we will fill the electronic configuration. So, by definition, who can define for us Aufbau principle? Who can define for us Aufbau principle? Mr. Dan, go on. Okay, second.
Feeding electrons around the nucleus of an atom. Start feeding always in that way fast.
Thank you very much. When we want to fill the atomic orbital, we first fill the lowest energy level before moving to what? To the higher energy level. So, Aufbau principle generally means the building up. And building up is just a German language term which means lowest to the highest, building up. So assume that you have three S and 4P. You have 2S and 4P. For us to identify which one will be filled first, is it 4F, 3S or 4P? We must do some calculation. So that's why we come back to our chart here and we look at it very well. When N is 1, it means that it is a what? A K shell. And that is an S what? Orbital. And S orbital is usually 0. And when it is N is 2, it is a L shell. And L shell is what? A P orbital, which is what? Which is 1. So here we have N, which is how many? Our principal quantum number is how many in S? 3. Thank you. And before that again, in Aufbau or building up element, it simply means N plus L. Tuko pamoja? N plus L. So let me add you this one. So our L is 0 and our L in P is 1, our L in D is 2, and our L in F is what? 3. So if N is 3, then L will be how many? What is our value of L in S orbital? In S orbital, yes, our value is 0. S block, this S, the value of L is 0. And from our formula, it is N plus L, which is 3 plus 0. To P, let's come to P. It is how many? 4. Our N value is 4, sindio? And our P value is how many? 1. Sindio? So N plus L is equals to 4. So hapa ni 3, hapa ni 4. So when filling this one, which one do we start with? Which one is according to Aufbau principle? Which states that electron will fill lowest energy level to the highest. So which one is having the lowest energy level? It is S. So we first fill an S orbital and then we go to what? P orbital. Assume that you are given 3s and 2p. Our n is 3, s is how many? 0, say there, which is 3 plus 0, we get 3. In p, our n is 2, and p is how many? 1. n plus 1l, which is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So it is 3, and here is also 3. Which one do we fill first? So when the value of n is the same, when our value is the same, we only fill. We are going to fill the first one. We are going to fill is the one which is having the lowest n number. We together, the lowest n number. And which one is having the lowest n number up there? P. P is having 2, and this one is having 3. It means that we are going to fill 2p before filling what? Before filling 3s. And that will make the end of our lesson. Assignment, I want you to use the building up block element to fill for me this element. Z is equals to 29, and identify the element. When I say use the building up block, it means you are going to use this formula: 1, S, 2, S, 3, S, 4, S, 5S. And when you come here, you cannot start, when you come to P, you cannot start P with what? You cannot start P up from here, because when you look at our chart, P starts from what? From 1. So it is 2P, 3P, 4P, 5P. Then to D, we will not start from 2. You will start from what? From 3. So 3D, 4D, and then you will spin them vertically like that. Use that formula and get to me that answer. Thank you.